Today I'm going to show you how to make black chicken herbal soup. It has a very light taste, but it really makes you feel healthy, and it's good for summer because people believe that the heat will chase the heat. Normally people use Chinese herbal medicines for this recipe, but today I use Korean herbal medicines and fresh ginseng. And this is Korean herbal medicines, which taste lighter than Chinese one, as I believe, and this is the fresh ginseng. First, soak dry shiitake mushroom with some hot water. When the mushroom turns soft, squeeze out the water and keep the water for later use. Then crush 4 cloves of garlic and set it aside. You can add more or less as you prefer. Slice 1 whole piece of ginger. It is also an important ingredient for this recipe. Trim off the bottom part of the shiitake mushroom after it's completely soft. Bring enough water to boil and boil the black chicken in rapidly boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. This step will remove unpleasant smell and impurity from the chickens. Actually, you can skip this part, but I highly recommend you to do this. To start cooking, add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pot to saute garlic, mushroom and ginger until fragrant. This step will help enhance the flavor of the 3 ingredients even more. Then pour in the mushroom soaked water and boil it for a minute. Then pour in another liter of plain water. Add all herbal medicines and fresh ginseng and simmer it on high heat for 10 minutes so the herbal medicines can release all its goodness into the soups. Ten minutes later, add in the chickens. Then lightly season with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then add in 100 grams of lotus root and boil the chickens for 1 hour. Add some more water if needed and gradually skim off the scum and fat from the top. One hour later, the chicken is done. This soup should not taste salty nor sweet, so you can fully enjoy the healthy taste from the herbal medicines. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.